Here's an example of how a jigsaw lesson is implemented. For a class of 19 students, have the students grouped into fours with one group of 3. This will be their jigsaw group. Pass out the graphic organizers and have the students complete the I can statement at the top of the paper. Now it's time for the practice with the teacher portion of the lesson. The teacher will share as an expert on their topic as a model for the students. Aim to keep your sharing to 30 seconds. Have the students write after you've shared for the first time, answer clarifying questions as necessary, and repeat sharing if necessary, which it usually is. Now pass out the leveled readings, noting that the group of 3 will be missing an expert. Either the teacher or an expert from another group will have to serve in this missing role for the group of 3. Now move the students into their expert groups while displaying the Your Task PowerPoint slide. Announce that they will have 5 to 6 minutes to read through their topic. If they finish early, they can go back and highlight portions of the text that directly answer the question. Once most of the groups have finished reading, instruct groups to go in a circle to share one fact from their text. Once everyone's shared a fact, have them directly answer the question as a group, and then have them write down their answer. Transition students back to their original jigsaw group and display the PowerPoint slide that has the topics and the main point questions. This will be the order that students will share in. Remind students to share for 30-ish seconds and that experts shouldn't read their responses. Also remind experts that it's normal to repeat themselves for their group members. Once everyone's shared their topic, have the students independently complete the I can prove it question. Display the scaffolded response template if needed.